October 4, around 11:30. So I've been passing by here. The third crop that they did in July 22nd. I noticed that the paddy rice were flowering last week, and I've been watching the panicles come out. Now almost all of the panicles are out, and right now they are in the flowering stage. So it's 11:30, the flowers are out, and so you can see the flowers. Those are the anthers. Now, quite interesting, the a lot of the spikelets are now closed. They are not open. So once the pollen are shaken off, the life of a pollen itself is 5 minutes. However, the stigma has a life of 3 days. Majority of the spikelets, almost all the flowers are gone. There are some that still has anthers. It's 11:30, so by this time the spikelets are closed. So, and in theory, actually not theory, in 30 days they would be harvesting. So the end of October they would be harvesting. So I'm going to do some calculation. Day of transplant was July 22nd, and I noticed the flowering stage was last week, and it doesn't take long for the panicle to come out with the spikelets. So it's rather rapid. I haven't seen them spray the chemical to help them fill up the spikelet. So we'll see. Maybe they do it too early in the morning. I don't see it. So now let me just see. This is where I'm kind of wanting to count how many oh, and there's a lot of bugs. So the black bugs, they suck the leaves dry and damage the rice paddy. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So a factor of 4. I was counting like they planted 4 times 4 is 16, but in this case it's 15. So I'm correct. I think this is 222. So it doesn't increase much, you know. The thing about giving it the proper nutrients, fertilizer, and blah 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 stuff like that, and expect it to have 40 tellers. No, I had to re-educate myself that it doesn't work like that. A factor of 4. Plant 1, you get 4. So in order to get more tellers, you have to plant more. So next time, thanks for watching.